Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. In first video, I explained GIC2, 1, 2, 3, 4, every section, headings and everything. And then in next video, I explain section 1, and then section 2, and then section 3. Now I'm going to explain our section 4. Until now, we discussed about 92 marks. First three section have 92 marks. Okay, here it is. In section 4, we have 4 boxes. How will the significant finding of the risk assessment be communicated within your organization? How would you check that action on the risk assessment that have been carried out? When would you review the risk assessment, and why that review period or date has been chosen? Okay, in 4 boxes, we have to tell about the communication check and review. Look at NEBOSH guidelines, what they say, and then we look at an example and we will wind up things. So here it is. So section 1, name of the organization, site location, brief description of the organization. हमने understood कर लिया. How many workers employed and उनके role क्या है? Done. Description of the area, our process to be included in the risk assessment. Done. The source of information हमने देखा, how identified hazards हमने देख लिया, then hazard category, उसमें hazard के कैसे करना है वो section 2 हमने complete देखा. Then section 3 में हमने एक hazard लिया, उसका moral, financial, legal and general reason दी. Then हमने देखा कि हम उसको कैसे save करेंगे, control करेंगे, further control में ये उसको कैसे save करेगा, उसे कैसे reduce करेगा, और हम कैसे चेक करेंगे एक्शन सही हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा, तो उसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया इन सेक्शन 3. नेक्स्ट इन सेक्शन 4, in 4.1 box we have how would the significant finding of the risk assessment be communicated with your organization. So communication के ways, verbal communication, you will do meetings, you will attend the toolbox talk TBT with the workers, and then you can share your written report with the organizations, and that's it. You can have maximum 3 marks in it. And then in 4.2, how would you check that the actions on the risk assessment have been carried out? Indicate how would you follow up on the risk assessment to check that the actions have been carried out. आप क्या करोगे, आप प्रॉपर्ली मीटिंग्स करोगे, फॉलो अप करोगे जो आपने टाइम फ्रेम्स बताया, तो इससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि properly actions हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे. Next in 4.3 we have to write down कि when would you review the risk assessment. हमने एक realistic review date, we have to provide a realistic review date, and why we will review it, what is it, and reasoning about it. 1 marks. And in next box we have to provide uh, why, reason, that it is a company policy or what else it is. You can obtain maximum 2 marks in it. Look at, we can like example उसमें क्या कह रहा है, and then we wind up things. In 4.1, just read out the communication method will include a summary brief to the senior management team and our 6-month HSC committee meeting, support by the hard copy, same like that, written and verbal discussion होगी, and that's इसको read out कीजिएगा, it will help you to understand the point. How would you check that actions and the risk assessment have been carried out? ठीक है. Each specific deadline will be checked by me by visit to the location or the conversation by the relevant party. Weekly progress you will check, and these will be flagged to the MDF progress is not apparent. All items will also be tracked by our 6-month board level committee meetings and the formal annual health and safety board review. You have to provide these kind of reasonings to obtain the 2 marks. And then in next box, when would you review the risk assessment? Element of this assessment will be reviewed once most of the recommended control measures have been implemented to check that the working effectively. A full formal review will happen on an annual basis from the date of first completion. And why that review period has been chosen because it is a company policy. Carrying out a review on the completion of the recommendation control means will give an opportunity to check that the work have not introduced other unforeseen hazard or issues. Annual review of the risk assessment is in line with company policy. This is the reason. 8 point in section 4, 17 point in section 3, 65 points in section 2, 10 marks in section 1. Combine 100 marks and you have to take 60 marks to pass GIC2 exam. Okay, here it is at the start. Section 1, I hope you get it. Section 2, get it. Section 3, done. And then we have section 4. I hope you all get it. I will say good luck. And here it is, a proper example of it. I will share the link with the video and you can have it, you can study it and you can get the idea. Don't copy, don't paste. Make your own report, make your own work. Okay? Don't copy, paste anything. Don't do malpractice. It's good for your future. Good luck and best wishes for all of you. Thank you. Have a good day.